Edie has the hiccups. Isn't she cute? There's Mama.
Edie has the hiccups.
Say hello to the family, Edie. They want to see you. Very good.
Say hi, everybody. Hello. Can't wait to meet everybody in person. I think she's trying to put a spell on you with her hands.
Put the spell on you, Edie. Witchy woman.
Witchy woman. Achoo. Sounds a little like a squeaky toy.
Who knew that hiccups could be so fascinating?
You're so adorable. You're so precious. Would you like to get some video of Edie's foot? It's
Yes.
a very good foot.
That's a good foot right there.
She's got two.
Let me see the other one. Oh, there it is. That's a precious little foot. Oh, where's it going? It's moving around on me.
Practice your ballerina point. Point your toe. Oh, nope. Flex.
Say goodbye, Edie.